Hello children, welcome to today's section. Today, let's start our new lesson more on HTML. See children, now believe that you have already studied this HTML. What are the basics of this HTML in your 6th standard? See, HTML is a hypertext markup language. Okay, by using this language, you can develop your own web pages. Okay, do you know what is meant by web pages? Yes, when you open a website, you can see the pages. Okay, all the text or images, whatever that, everything will be displayed in web pages. Okay, then the group of web pages will form a website. So to create a website, first we have to learn how to develop a web page. So this HTML, that is hypertext markup language, this language is used to create web pages. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Okay, which are the different types of tags we are used in this HTML. Okay, see, first one is HTML tag. HTML is a container tag used to start HTML document. Okay, it's a container tag. Container tag means it has both open and closed tags. Okay, that means when you open one HTML, at the end you have to close that HTML tag. Okay, that means it has both open and closed tag. Next one is head tag. Head is a container tag that encloses head section of the HTML document. Head tag. Okay, it's a container tag that encloses the head section of the HTML document. Okay, next one is title tag. Title is a container tag that encloses the title of the web pages that appears on the title bar of the web browser. That is, when you open a web browser or when you open a web page, the title will be displayed on the title bar of your window. Okay, then next one, body tag. Body tag also a container tag. Container means it has both open and closed tag. It encloses the text, images, videos, etc. So whatever you are written in the web page or whatever displayed in the web page, whatever you have to display in the web page, that everything you can give in between these body tags. Okay, so this make up a web page. Okay, body, this tag, okay, all the text, images, videos, that everything will make up a web page. All the elements of a web page are within this tag. All the elements. Okay, whatever you have to display, that everything you have to give in between these body tags. That is open and closed body tag. Then this body tag has many attributes. Okay. Then the attributes include, first one is B tag. B tag is used to bold. Suppose you want to display your text in bold, then you can use this B tag. Next one is U tag. U tag is used to underline the text. Okay, then I tag to italics your text. Then BR tag to insert a line break. Okay, that is, if you want to display your text in different lines, then after each line you can apply this BR tag. Then next line will be displayed in your next line. Okay, each sentence will display on separate lines by using BR tag. See this B, U, I and BR, these are not container tag. That means this tag no need of this close tag. Okay, then next one is BG color. Okay, this everything is under body tag. BG color is used to give attractive colors to the background of your web page. Okay, to insert a background color, you can use BG color tag. And the syntax is body BG color is equal to color name. Okay, then body BG color is equal to red. Okay, example, body BG color is equal to red. That means this red color will apply to a web page. Then text is used to give color to the body text. text attribute will color all the text in the HTML page in one color. Okay, and the syntax is body text is equal to color name. Okay, then example, body text is equal to green. That means this text will be displayed in green color. Okay children, see now I show you how to develop a web page. Okay, so to create a web page, first you can open Notepad. Okay, by click on the start button, all programs you can select Notepad. Okay, here I am choosing Notepad. See, this is Notepad. Now I already written some programs. Okay, can you see the program? Okay, see here, first tag is HTML. Okay, then header, then title. In this title given sample program. So see this sample program. Okay, whatever I given between this title. See here I open this title and close this title by using a slash, backslash. Okay, see only backslash is allowed, not forward slash. Okay, then the sample program will be displayed in your web page title. Then head closed. See now the head section is over, so I close head. See, while closing this tag, inner one can close it first. That means here HTML starter, head starter, title starter, then title closed, head closed. Okay, so the title is inside this head. That's why we close title first. Don't close head at first before closing title, because head is above this title. Okay, the head section encloses title section. That's why we have to close title first, then only you can close head. Then you can start body section. See here, body BG color is equal to pink. Okay, that means this pink color will apply to your, which one? Your web page. Okay, then hello, here I am typing hello, then type BR for break. Okay, then hello, how are you? Okay, next sentence, two sentences I type here, then I closed body and also I close HTML. Okay, so this is a sample HTML program. Okay, sample program. So when you save a program, you can, now I already save this program. Okay, when you save a program, you can save the program by using HTM. Okay, HTML or HTM. The extension should be .html or .htm. Okay, so when you save this program, that program will be, or that, which one, that Notepad or that program will be saved with a web page in your system. Okay children, that one will be saved as a web page in your system. See, now I show you what will be the output when I open this. See, this is a sample program. See, now I open that web page. Now you can see, say web page. See, can you see the sample program here? So this one is our title. See here, printed hello, how are you? And also the background color is pink. Okay, so let us change the, which one? Text color. Do you know how to change the text color? Yes, text is equal to, so here we can write this text. Text is equal to, here I am typing red. Okay, text is equal to red. So we can save this program again. Okay, whatever the changes you made in this program, after the change you have to save a program. Okay, now I save this program. Again I open the web page. Okay, let's refresh. See, this button is to refresh your page or reload your page. See, now you can see the text is displayed in red color. Okay children, so this one is used to display your text in red color. Okay, background. To make a background color, you can use this BG color attribute. To display your text in color, you can use this text attribute. Okay children, so please do the same program or this type of program in your system. Okay, it's a very interesting lesson. Okay, when you study this HTML program, you can develop your own web pages. Okay, so children, you can create a web page for our school. Okay, with the heading Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. Okay, below that you can type something about our school. Okay, so don't forget to do this activity. On next day, I will teach you how to make this bold, italics and underline, and also how to apply heading in your program or in your web page, and also how to use paragraph and how to list the elements in ordered list and unordered list. That everything we'll discuss in our next class. Okay children, so don't forget to do the activity. See you again. Till then, bye.